Hey, we're right here. It's Grant. We're right here at the entrance of Rienda, and we're gonna have a great tour of the entire community today. And you want to subscribe to our channel by tapping the subscribe button below, because we're gonna have tours of every single neighborhood. Right now there's 17 and they're building more, but there's 17. We're gonna have tours of every single one, so you can know exactly what the whole community of Rienda in Rancho Mission Viejo, Orange County's newest city, has to offer. Thank you for joining me, Grant Lowell, on this tour of Rienda in Orange County's newest city, Rancho Mission Viejo. What we're going to do today in this video is review what's special about Rienda and some of its flaws as well. Now these two horses, they have names, right?
Yeah, that's JoJo and Gus.
Oh, okay. And they're the same ones that are always here.
Gus has been here for a while. There used to be another one named Blue.
Okay.
And he left, and JoJo showed up about 6 weeks ago or so. About the time frame, but they're getting along pretty well. JoJo's a thoroughbred, and Gus is a quarter horse. JoJo's very bossy, and he's only 12, so he's got lots of energy. And poor Gus is about 20 and doesn't feel like moving very much. And JoJo wants to play, so he's like trying. He sometimes irritates me. You can tell, makes him want to run. You know.
Yeah.
But they're pretty good. They're getting along pretty well now. Now they just hang around and eat.
That's good.
Yeah, I wish I had that vibe.
First thing you probably want to know is where Rienda is located. It's 52 miles south of Los Angeles, 61 miles north of San Diego, so just 10 miles shy of being right in the middle, and 20 miles southeast of Newport Beach. Some of the major landmarks near Rienda are Casper's Wilderness Park, a fantastic place to hike and camp. And then it's about 3.7 miles from the Mission at San Juan Capistrano, and 8.5 miles from the Dana Point Harbor, where there's lots of shops, restaurants, and other forms of entertainment. Rienda was designed to be very affordable, but as a consequence, the homes and condos are very close together. There's all different floor plans in Rienda, from 1, 2, or even 3-story homes, each having their own benefits and detractions. And of course, we'll be covering all those features later in the video, so stay to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We provide a tremendous amount of value about buying and selling here in Orange County, and it really helps out the channel. Rienda has all different types of homes for all different types of people, from 55 and older to young adults just getting started to established families. And these homes are arranged in 17 different neighborhoods, and they are building more neighborhoods, so definitely keep coming back to Rienda to see what they've done. But they all have their own HOA fees. They start at $249 per month, and they go up to $385 a month. But you don't want to forget the extra costs that are involved in Rienda that a lot of people may not know about, and those are called special assessments, formerly known as Melrose. These fees paid with your taxes really depend on the neighborhood, and I will let you know, as a responsible agent, exactly what they are before we even look. There are also ways to save money in Rienda. The homes have a solar installation to meet the state's new home requirements. The solar installation offsets, but does not eliminate the high electric bills that you would have without it. Now, education is a really important factor to consider when buying any home. Oh, there's Essentia Elementary. You get a bird's eye view of it right here. I'm going to go turn around and get out and give you guys a bird's eye view. That is the way. That's the way to do it. Bird's eye view is the best. There's Rienda way out there in the distance. I don't know if you can see it, but and then here is the elementary school. The elementary school for Rienda is Essentia kindergarten through 8th grade, and it gets an A on niche.com's guide for schools. The high school is Tesoro, and it gets an A+ on niche.com's guide for schools. They started building Rienda back in 2022. And being so new, everything is in excellent condition. The size of the units in Rancho Mission Viejo start at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath with 727 square feet, and it goes all the way up to a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with 2,822 square feet. So there's really a good assortment of homes in Rienda. There's all kinds of different options, different communities, different builders, and it's really put together very well. But all the different builders makes it a little bit confusing knowing what exactly you're getting, what the fees are, what neighborhood you're in at any one time. So you really do need to have, I think, a guided expert such as myself to take you into the community and show you exactly what you get. The builders are kind of in competition with each other, and they don't know a lot about what the others are doing. And they're probably not going to tell you about all the flaws that their buildings have. For example, a lot of them have 0 lot lines. What that means is the wall of the neighbor is built right on your lot line. Another thing is the driveways are a lot of times non-existent. The 3-story builders are never going to tell you it blocks a lot of sun, and it feels a lot more dense when you're in back of the house and in front. Going down one of the alleys. So it's, afternoon. These alleys are not going to see a lot of sun. There's mostly garage access, 2-car garages. And these are just a few things that you need to watch out for. Now, some of these builders don't want you to have your own representation, even though it costs you nothing and there's no penalty for it, because it costs them a little bit more, but they sell more homes because of it. Now, the way these builders reduce the amount of commissions they have to pay out is by requiring you to come with your agent on your very first visit and sign in. So I encourage you, before you go to Rienda in Rancho Mission Viejo, give me a call. I'd be happy to go with you. There's no obligation whatsoever, so we could sign in and you will have representation. And I can help you during the entire process if you do choose to buy, but you need to know that there's absolutely no obligation. We're just looking. Some of the other things you want to watch out for are the location. There's going to be future road noise. It's not existent right now because it's a new community, but there's going to be, and you want to be very cognizant of that when you're choosing your location. The location has a huge effect on the future value of your property. So definitely call me on your first visit so we could sign in. I can make sure that you're not overpaying for the location you're getting. I've actually been working in Orange County for the last 22 years selling homes. I've seen a lot in this industry, and I know exactly what makes homes and condos like these valuable. So if you're thinking about moving, give me a call or a text at 949-354-4464, or you can always email me at grant@grantlowell.com. Thanks very much, and I'll see you on the next one.